Hello folks on YouTube, welcome to today's fast unboxing. Today we have received a package from China and inside is a gimbal from SJCAM. Here is the box itself, fresh from the factory. Inside the box there is the carrying case, a sling for the carrying case and a manual. Inside the carrying case there is a gimbal, there is the strap for the gimbal and two USB cables, one of which is used to control the camera. For those of the viewers who are not familiar with a gimbal, here is a scene that shows you what it does. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again.